Tulogin.
Ito hindi rin mo uwi.
Kape.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ano?
Magluluto ako kami.
Live na ba ito? Oh, live na po tayo mga kaibigan. Oh. Rep, shoot ka ng konti doon ha. Technical kita. Lakas na!
Easy basket for Mr. Burak. Pot. Tumoy, almost still. Back to pot. Fires. No good for this time. Pass to Buray. Buray to Vivo. Almost. Side. No. Pistol pass to the bad pass outside. Hello to Mr. Tolo. Baseline shot. What a play. Number 18, Pipe. To number 11. To Pot. Lando again. It's a bad error for the Raptors.
Bad pass.
To Vivo at the baseline shot. Goal! 6-0 na. 6-0.
Masaya sila, masaya.
Ayan, Indua.
Masayang ano.
To Pineda, may casing. Clemente, what a baseline shot. Easy 2 points for Mr. Clemente.
Kapampangan.
Nanong Buri.
Ito pare.
Jaime, number 1, ready to play. To number 29 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6 of Raptors. Raptors setting the play to Clemente. Back again to Indua. To Clemente, baseline shot. Pass. Good again. Wow. 6-4. Nahabangan agad. 2 points lead by Peter.
Para si Arnie Tuadles sila.
Baseline shot again. No good for this time. You want the play. Pass. Power play by Mr. Duran. Indua, setting the play to Mr. Pineda. Talong here, fake, back to Indua. To Pot for 3.
Bam bam bam!
First shot, 3 points. Wow. Mag-ingay ako ngayon dito. Jaime. Setting the play. Give to Piray. Baseline box. To Pico pass to the elbow. To Pineda. Pineda will be for teammates. Setting the play. To Clemente. Baseline. To Pot, the baseline. Back to Clemente again. Pass. Short for this time. Rebound by number 8. 13, sorry. To Piray. Piray pass. What a play by Mr. Piray. Easy basket. 10-7 in favor of PPS. To Pot again for 3. Pass. No good for this time. Rebound by number 29. Pivo. To number 1, Jaime. To number 18. 18 baseline shot. Yes. For Mr. Barona.
Ganda laro ng mga kontraktor.
Remaining time is 5 minutes and 55 seconds. To power forward. To Clemente. Back to power forward. Baseline shot. Yes. Easy basket for Mr. Power forward. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Jaime.
Technical!
Jaime shot.
Subcontract, subcontract.
What a play by the PPF, third nine. Lead by 3 points. Red ball, Raptors ball, Raptors. Inbound by the Raptors to FPJ, to Pastor,
Ang Batang
to
Quiapo.
Federacion, to Pastor. Torriano pass, no good is the rebound by ito. Number 20 ng Federacion, no good again. Steal, follow shot, yes by Aureliano. What a play by Mr. Aureliano, number 47. Best right, Olarte, to Kalu. Kalu, drive by Scott. Rebound by Aisa Jumbo, center referee. Raptors ball. Raptors ball. Moderation, number 23. Back to Pastor. Torriano, baseline, keep the number 26 pass, shot, rebound by Federacion, to Pastor, to Federacion for 3, shot for this time, almost left the ball, still Torriano, Pastor, Palarga, easy basket. What a play, James Record, 13-12. Abos, wala kang kasa? Iyan o.
Tito!
2-3-1. Abos. Kaurag. Team ko pala yun. Kaurag sa ibang team. Arellano, Palarga, lays up, too strong. Rebound by Sena. Sena, my teammate before. To number 11, Garo, for 3, shot, rebound by number 28, or Brian Logan again, rebound by Carl. Carl to Sanaya, baseline shot, 3-4. Oh, almost still again. To Alo, to Orpiana, pass, no good, rebound by Federacion. This one pass to Arellano, the best layup, no good. Wah, sayang yan. Tesena, baseline, to Orpiana. Orpiana almost losing the ball. Ivy drop it. To Carlo for 3. Too strong again, rebound by Palarga. Torriano. Back to Federacion. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Back to Federacion. To Pastor for 3. Shot for this time.
Malab!
Shot. Naglaba lang yan, naglaba. Ulang yan. Pinaglaba yan. Kuya Perny.
Malab!
Ulang sa Rocco. Back to Bosman. Olarte. Olarte set in the play. Wait for his teammate. To Bonilla. To Piana Bessman. Back to Olarte. Crossing the ball. Crossing. Talo.
Tigas.
Torpena, baseline shot, rebound by Palarga, Moderacion, dribbling the ball, waiting for immediate, for 3, Moderacion, 3 points, 16 points, under minute of 1 minute and 25 seconds, 1 minute and 25 seconds, Olarte for 3, Olarte, 16-15, still, last by 3 by the Raptors. Ang ganda po ng laban. To number 26. Lays up, shoot, rebound by Olarte, pitch by Torpena. Rebound by Pastor. Moderacion to Palarga. Torriano, baseline shot. Yes, by Mr. Arellano. 18-15, still 3-point lead by the Raptors. Bonilla for 3.
Umalaw!
2 shots. 38 seconds. 38 seconds. Remaining time. 38 seconds. Moderacion for 3. No good for this time. Rebound by Piscal Matasena. Sena drive pass. No good. Rebound by Palarga. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. Back to Pastor. Pastor waiting for the shot clock. 14 seconds. Corona. No shot. But there's a foul. What a play by number 16. Palaka. For the bonus shot. Remaining time is 10.8 seconds. Palaka for the bonus shot. Yes. 21-15. 6.8 by the Raptors. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter. What a play for both teams. Raptors versus PPF.
Batang Quiapo.
Idol Pico, ano na nangyari?
Big shout out sa announcer ng Ebong Pineda. Ebong Pineda.
Kapag Brown. Mr. Cholo.
Si Cholo.
Inaanta ka na dyan.
Wala si Cholo.
Kuya Gabit. Back again to the second quarter. Raptors 3-6 points. Let's go. Inbound by Mr. Pico. My teammate before. Jaime. To Banan. To break. Jumper. Easy jumper by Mr. Duran. One left hand for Mr. Duran. Left hand jumper.
Oh,
9 minutes and 40 seconds. Clemente. Kendra.
Isa panalo.
Sino? Marvel. Pinenalo. Tupoy po. Baseline. Back to Indra. Tupoy Pineda for 3. Fake. To Rubiana. Picture. Rebound by Bibo. Bibo. Pitch ball back to the right. Back by Mr. Pineda. It's a center. Under 9 minutes and 10 seconds. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Baseline to Jaime. Jaime. Yan. Dimana. Baseline right. Kick to the right man. Steal by Mr. Boy Pineda. To Indra. Indra to Potpot. Potpot. Jumper. Twister. Rebound by Bibo. Bibo yan. Mr. Jaime. Jaime setting the play. Crossover. Drive pass. Good. 21-19. 21-19. Under 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Potpot. To Corona. Baseline shot. Twister again. Rebound by Bibo. Bibo pitch ball pass to Kural. Left-hander. Left-hander. Pass. Good. What a play by Mr. Duran. 8 minutes. Almost still. Oh, to Clemente. To Porto. Jumper. Yes. Easy two point by Mr. Porto.
Marami na yan.
Barona setting the play. To Tumiranan. Tumiranan. Harassed by Mr. Rabiano. Almost still. Outside. Under 7 minutes and 48 seconds. 7 minutes and 48. People. Jumper. No good. Last touch by the people. It's Raptors ball.
23-21.
Pepe, Pedra, Indra. Almost close to Pineda for 3. Fast shot. Rebound by Vivo. Give to the right. Telefano, shot. Good. What a play by Mr. Duran. 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Indra.
Spong.
To Clemente, waiting for his teammate, setting the play to Mr. Pineda. Pineda may kasin. Oh, to number 8. Potpot, Pedro again. Almost still. Pineda for 3 again. Twister, rebound by. It last touch by by the prepare. It's a single. Under 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Clemente, fit. Torbiano, Estil, Gabriela. It's over. Pass to the line. It's almost 2. It's a single. Under 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 6 minutes and 30 seconds for to be right. Almost equal. Follow-up shot. Yes. What a power play by Mr. Pirai. Change labor, 23-25. 2-point lead by the prepare. 4-3. 4-3.
Bam, bam, bam!
One-point lead by the Raptors. Dibananan, 30 shot, this time naman by Pineda. Pineda. The Pizza, along here. Nice passing. To Clemente, back to Mr. Pineda for 3 again. Shot this time. Under 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Ano yan? Substitution na yan, right? 5 minutes. Substitution na tayo. Substitution. Still 1-point lead by the Raptors. 26-25. Ayun, please. Magandang gabi. Patay tayo dyan.
Balita ka na? Ano hockey?
Inbound by Mr. Number 12. To Mr. Boss Ayante. Yun o, Iyata. Number 12, Gonzalez. Short this time. Moderation, setting the play. Waiting for his teammate. Toriano, back to moderation. Mora rotate the ball. Out, Barcelona, short this time. It's last touch by the Raptors.
Ano sir?
Under 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Kalu, Tukulate, to number 11, pass. Short, winner by number 5. To Aureliano. Sino may number 5? Bautista. Federation for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Opiana. Opiana. Drive, guys. No good. Rebound by Lalo. Parang rebound by Mr. Lalo. For 3. Too strong. Rebound by Arellano. Arellano. Drive pass. Too strong. Rebound by Palaga. Power move. Pass. Yes. What a play by Mr. Palaga. Under 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 minutes and 48 seconds for the second quarter. Number 12, Gonzalez. Tolade for 3. Too strong. Rebound by. Sa left by the PPA. Sa Raptors ball.
Kumain na ka, kinintasan na nga eh.
Moderation. To Palaga, the best line move. Pass, block.
Ayun ka lang
Block,
sa
block na dyan. It's a block.
Sino Bluetooth ka?
A foul. There's a foul. Sorry, foul.
Ano yung kanina?
2 shots for Mr. Palaga. Under 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Palaga for the first strike. Goal for the second try. Second try. Good again. Wow, 38-25. Back again for the 5-point lead by the Raptors. Opiana. Tokaru. Alright. For this one. Good on the Opiana. Gonzalez shot. No good. Rebound by number 5. Moderation to Palaga. Almost still. Palaga baseline. To Bautista. Shots. No good again. Rebound by Palaga. Power moves. No good again. Rebound again by himself. Followed by Arellano. Yes, by Arellano. What a play by the Raptors. 7-point lead. 2 minutes. Bye-bye. This time. minute and 50 seconds. 1 minute and 50 seconds. To Arellano. Arellano to the baseline of Bautista. Federation referee. Too strong. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez setting the play. Waiting for this limit. Under 135 seconds. Still. Back to the wrong guy. Arellano. Back to Mederacion. To Arellano. Baseline shot. Shoot. Rebound by Orpiana. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Orpiana 6-5. Good.
Mas hit.
32.
Mas hit.
27. 29. Okay. Arellano. Baseline shot.
Oh,
Ball
galing
play
naman
by Mr. Arellano. 34-37.
Idol.
34-37.
Idol.
Seconds to go. 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Olave, Orpiana. Drive to Gonzalez. Back to Olave for 3. Olave. 3 by the Raptors. Under 35 seconds. Federation. Dinae. Federation. What a play. Back again to 7 point. Galo. Drive. Back. Knock by Basta Palana. To number 5. Mr. Arellano. Arellano. To number 26 pass. Too strong. To number Orpiana. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. By Palana. 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes, 15 seconds. 1.
Habol pa, oh.
And the second quarter, our score is
Lamang,
30.
Lamang ang mga malalaking buhaya. Raptor.
Pinayin mo nga para 39-30. 9-3 by the Raptors.
Lamang.
And
Tali
the
yung mga buhay.
pressure.
Tali yung mga buhay.
Dito to the third quarter. 5 minutes.